morning students, welcome to your VBPS e-learning class. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. This is your English period. I am your English teacher. You all know that we were studying lesson number 3, the magic letter in English literature. Today I have explained you the last part of the chapter and we have done true false exercise in the book only. You have to fill the exercise in the book only. So students, start the work and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. As you all know that we have started lesson 3, half of the chapter we have read and I have explained you. Today we will read half of the chapter from page number 19. Ammi read the words out loud along with Izaz. She is confused by the message, but Izaz jumps with excitement. Ammi and Izaz both read the words loudly, but Ammi is confused by the message, but Izaz is jumping with happiness. I know where to go, shout Izaz. Izaz says that he knows that where to go. He runs down 2 flights of stairs, past a parking area and stops in front of a bench. He runs from the stairs and a parking area and stop in front of a bench. He runs 2 stairs and passes from a parking area and stops in front of a bench. But there is nothing there. But he finds nothing over there. Izaz is sad. He was sure that there would be another clue waiting for him. Now Izaz is very sad because he thought there might be another clue. He turns around and gasps. He turns around and Yasmin takes a quick breath in. Surprise! Vikram, what are you doing here? He sees Vikram and in a surprise he asks, what are you doing here? Izaz can't believe his eyes. Izaz can't believe his eyes. This is the best surprise ever. Izaz can't believe his surprise because this is the best surprise Izaz has ever got. Can't you guess? Says Vikram, beaming. I came because I was missing Ammi's biryani. Izaz laughs and hugs him. Now, Vikram says, can't you guess? I came here because Vikram was missing Ammi's biryani. Izaz started laughing and hugs him. At that exact moment, Ammi calls out to Izaz and says, biryani is ready. At that moment only, Ammi shouted at Izaz, means she calls out to Izaz and says, biryani is ready. Now, did you know biryani is a delicious rice dish? Has been popular among people for many centuries. Different places in India have their own style of making biryani. Hyderabadi, Lucknowi, Awadhi, Kolkata, Kachi and Chettinad are the most famous variety. What is biryani? Some people likes to eat veg biryani and some eat non-veg biryani. Veg biryanis are made from like veggies and rice, mixing with veggies and rice and some spices, means some masalas. And non-veg biryani are that biryani is made from mutton or chicken, right? This chapter is edited from The Magic Letter by Aqib Jalil, right? Here we have completed our explanation. Now we will come to the next page, that is page number 20. Write down classwork, put the date, that is 26th May 2021. Exercise A. Write T for true sentences and F for false sentences. Number 1. Izaz lives in Andhra Pradesh. No, Izaz used to live in Haryana. So this statement is false. Number 2. Izaz and Vikram played cricket together. True. This statement is true. How come? The two boys had loved playing cricket. They both used to play cricket. Izaz noticed orange and yellow flame on the letter Vikram sent him. True. Izaz looks at the card again then when he noticed the orange and yellow frame on the card. Right? So this statement is true. Fourth one. When Izaz goes to the kitchen, the biryani was ready. No, false. When Izaz, over here you can say, Ammi wipes her hand on towel and says, the biryani isn't ready, Izaz. You will have to wait. So the biryani wasn't ready at that time. Fifth one. Both Izaz and Ammi read out the words in Vikram's letter. Ammi reads the words aloud along with Izaz. So it is true. Dear students, fill this exercise in your book only. You don't have to write it in your English literature copy. Fill this exercise in your book only and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Students, I hope you all have completed your work. Then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Your homework is learn the exercise true and false from lesson number 3, the magic letter. That's all for today. Have a good day, students. Thank you. Stay safe at home.